early in the morning, and I have a new package I want to unbox. Let you guys see. So this real quick. So early in the morning. Okay, here we go. New fuel pump. So later on I will show that before, when I did the fuel filter, I thought that would, unblock whatever was going on with my fuel tank. So the fuel gauge can read, but as I drove the car more and more, the gauge wouldn't move. It kept on E after a while that I had put gas in it, so I knew I couldn't roll around like that anymore. So I finally decided to get a new fuel pump. So I'll be putting this in as well. After I put the fuel pump in, I'll be working on this bumper and working on the tail lights to make those pop and red again. So stay tuned. We got a lot of work to do. Let's get started. So before I get started on the fuel filter and the tail lights, I got a new package. So real quick. Uh-oh. The twin turbo sign, so when I repaint it, I can slap that twin turbo sign on. So I'm probably gonna put it, so there's a twin turbo sign on the door, on the other door that I want to get, but I think I'm gonna put it right there. Put it right there. Yeah, maybe. I'm thinking so. I'm liking that. Once I repaint the whole bumper, I'll slap that on there. It looks pretty good. Nice. We're getting set up here. I have to go get a jack, put it over here, jack up the car, take the tire off, and from what I was reading, I have to unloosen. Right there is a hose that leads to the gas tank up top. I have to unloosen that so I can be able to unloosen to the top of there, because if you keep spinning it, it won't go anywhere. So I'm gonna take the jack, put it over there, lift up the car, take the tire off, and then I'll fill you guys in on trying to unloosen that bolt. So upon looking around, I actually do not have a lug nut size for the 3000. This one doesn't work, and this one is only 19 millimeter. None of those work. None of these 11, 16, 5/8. That one's too big, that one's too small, and they fit weird. So I gotta go to the store and get the right size for the lug nuts. I had to dig up this old thing because the guy said these lug nuts are locking lug nuts, and he prescribed this one, which I had one of these a long time ago, but I think I had someone change my tire and they basically took it. So I had to get a new one. So I'll put this on the tire iron, loosen the bolts, jack up the car, take the tire off, and then I'll get to the wires under. You gotta crack them loose. You gotta crack them. Crack it. These lemons are super tight. Get it, son. still on. Okay, so I take off the wheel. I have to unscrew that bolt right there. After some time, I got it loose. Twisted it, turned it with a 14 millimeter and a 19. I had to go buy, again, the 19 for this part. So now I'll go up to the top, pop the trunk, and undo the top. There we go. I got this stuff. Put it over there. I can put that down there for right now. Lift up. Okay. Move this to the side. Move this out of the way. We gotta unscrew this. And then after that will be the fuel tank exposed. I'll let you guys see that. Now that this is exposed, I have to put the 14 on here and put the 19 on this one and do the same thing that I did down there. This one is gonna now turn because I loosened the one down there, and this one is gonna stay here. So I put some penetrating oil on here, and hopefully it'll be easy to turn it, because before I couldn't turn it at all. So let's hope that this will be easier than last time. Okay guys, once again I am at a standstill with this stubborn fuel bolt. I tried multiple times to try to get it loose. I put a lot of penetrating oil on it. My dad even came by and he even tried to do it, and it just would not budge for any reason. So in the meantime, I'm gonna try to figure out what I can do to try to get this fuel bolt situation loose. The bottom is loose from before, so that's fine. Now we just got to get this top one unloose to be able to finally put the fuel pump in. So in the meantime, I'm going to be painting this because it looks ugly, and why not? While I'm thinking of a solution for this part, I'll be painting this. So I'll probably end the video off with this, and then the next video I'll start off with figuring out, or actually having this loose. Well, actually telling you guys how I got this off and it finally getting off. Okay, stay tuned. Let's start painting this. All right, we got the black one. Start off with black. All right, that's the first coat. We'll wait about 5 minutes, wait for all this to dry, and then do my second coat. First coat's done, now working on the second coat. All right, that's the second coat. We're gonna wait about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna do the third coat. We waited about 5-10 minutes. Now we're gonna do the third coat. Okay, now that's done. We're gonna wait about 5-10 minutes, and then we have to do the back right there. I'm not gonna film that part. I'm just gonna get it done, And then I have something else I wanted to do with this plate here, just to make it so it'll stand out, even though it's going to be covered up by the wheel, and then the wheel, the carpet, and the cardboard in between. But I just want to do it just because it's exposed. I'm going to do it for me. So I'll do the back of the plate, and then I will let you guys see after, when all this is done. Right about there it is. It's all painted and ready to go to get back in the car. But first, I gotta put that fuel pump back in, and I'll have you guys see that in the next video. See you later.